Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will show you how to create a WordPress website in 5 easy steps and how can you earn money from WordPress websites. So why choose WordPress to build your website? First of all, if you have been putting off decision to set up a website for your small business because you assume it will be complicated or time consuming, don't worry. Creating a personal website or an e-commerce site to remarkably easy to set up a WordPress content management platform CMS. In fact, most people can go from start to finish in about 30 minutes without any advanced tech skills or special training. WordPress is the perfect drag and drop website builder. Here is a brief overview of the steps to take to get your WordPress website started. First of all, you have to pick a domain name which create your website beautifully. Second one, choosing a hosting provider and package. Third one, you have to install WordPress and choose your theme. Fourth one, you have to learn WordPress dashboard and pick your WordPress plugin. Fifth one, customize websites. After that, you have successfully created a WordPress website, and now I will show you how can you earn money from this website. In order to make money from WordPress, you have to make 3 simple steps to make money from WordPress. First of all, create valuable content. Valuable content is the content that people like to read. It needs to be original or curated well. Valuable content will answer some questions like this article answers the question of how to make money with WordPress. Valuable content is usually either entertaining, education, or both. Two formats that work extremely well online are listening, literally, and how to article. I am sure you have been and read many literatures. They can take the from article like 10 tips to apply a gorgeous cat eye or anything. Second one is get traffic to your content. Traffic just refers to the people visiting your website. There are dozens of ways to traffic a WordPress powered website. See 5 methods listed below. 5 ways to drive traffic your WordPress site. First of all, search engine optimization. Second one is commenting in forums. Third one is paid traffic from Facebook. Fourth one is Reddit, which is arguably there is not any more optimized opinioned place on the web than Reddit, but where passing run high, click on your websites can be hard. Fifth one is guest posting. This is where you write for free for other people's sites. It seems like a lots of job, but you can get a site with a lot of traffic. It can lead to an influx of traffic when the guest post goes live and a steady amount of traffic over. Now that you have some content and have people visiting your site, it is time to monetize. Third one, monetizing your WordPress site. There are hundreds of different ways to monetize a WordPress site and make money from it. But the easiest of the most people starting out are AdSense ads, and the Amazon affiliate programs. AdSense, which is run by Google, allows you to place ads on your website and get paid when people click on ads. Amazon affiliate programs lets you link to any product that Amazon carries and gives you a commission when people buy. Making money from a WordPress is completely possible. It usually takes a people little bit of time and effort to get hang of it, but there is almost no better feeling than making that first bit of money from a site that you own. So that is for today. Hope you will like my video. If you like my video, then please subscribe and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.